Let's try this problem. During the Chunin exams, Shikamaru was about to fight Temari, and in the arena, while pretending to be lazy, he secretly measured the oval-shaped battled arena using his spades. The edge he walked followed the inner lane of the oval. He paced 6 rounds and recorded the following: 189, 177, 169.9, 185, 171.5, and 179 paces. Shikamaru knows that the length of the oval field is twice the width. The curved ends of the oval are semicircles. First, what is the average number of paces Shikamaru made? Now, summation lang ng paces, 189 plus 177 plus 169.9 plus 185 plus 171.5 plus 179 is equals to 1071.4 meters over how many rounds? 6 is equals to 178.57 paces. B, distance is equals to pace factor multiplied by pace. Substitute lang natin. P is equals to 0.75 meter over pace multiplied by 178.57 paces. Cancel. The approximate perimeter is 133.93 meters. Letter C. Given that the shape is rectangular with the semicircular ends, how wide and long is the arena? To visualize, draw natin. Now, paano ba natin isosolve? I usually do is extract the shape. We have this length and the width. Now, we know the shape is the rectangular daw. So, P is equals to length times width. Since ang length natin of the oval field is twice the width, so 2 times width plus yung width natin is semicircle, so pi times width. Since kanina na-solve natin yung perimeter, input lang natin 133.93 meters. Input lang natin sa calculator, then do shift solve. 18.75 meters. Now, tapos na ba tayo? No. Kukunin natin sa length, ita-times lang natin sa 2. The length is 37.5 meters.